The mystics say we are all connected. Maybe we'll never meet. Maybe we have completely different lives. But we're all part of a web of relationships, each of us a spark in the darkness. In 2008, I got lucky with an artist residency in an empty floor of a Wall Street office building. I was there to write songs, but I couldn't ignore the Great Recession unfolding all around me. Then Bernie Madoff turned himself in.
Again with Wall Street and the news today isn't getting any better.
Everyone thought they knew the story. Madoff promised tons of cash and greedy investors bought in.
Hello.
But I had a feeling that was too easy. I couldn't stop investigating and singing about the questions that haunted me.
Holy shit! I'm 1 degree from Bernie Madoff!
I was a Jewish person wrestling with someone from my own tribe.
You don't say Kaddish for someone who's alive. Except in one extremely rare case.
Finding myself in places I never thought I'd be. How do we cut through the lies and deception around us and find our way back to empathy and understanding? To gather the scattered sparks of light and make beauty out of the brokenness.